So welcome friends, uh, myself Mahendra Saini, faculty from Civil Engineering Department. Okay, today we are going to discuss about the code of BTech 6th semester under subject wind and seismic analysis. Okay, this is an important subject. In this succession we have already discussed about this code in some extent. Okay, so remaining part we will study today. Okay, so this code recommends the guidelines for earthen type of buildings, means generally used soil or any earthen rock, earthen brick, raw brick, without using any adhesive material, any lime, any cement, or any stabilizer, means no asphalt is all there. So without using these construction material, binding material, these buildings are constructed. Okay, so guidelines for block or adobe construction, we have been already studied about soil condition, this type of soil suitability, preferable soil is used for this type of buildings. Okay, so guidelines for block or adobe construction, rammed earth construction, seismic strengthening of bearing wall buildings, internal bracing in earthen houses, and earthen construction with wood or can structure have been elaborated in this standard. So we will try to understand what are block construction, what are rammed earth construction. Okay, by seeing pictures. Okay, so you can see this house constructed by earthen blocks. Okay, or block construction is used in this house in anywhere in the village. Okay, so these blocks is made up of soil only. These are raw bricks. Okay, so if you are able to see this picture, this is a rammed construction. Rammed construction means totally single slate or stone slab are used in the construction. Okay, so there is no any adhesive material such as cement, lime, or anything else. Okay, so to fill these joints we have used only soil. Okay, in some cases lime as addition or binding material is used. Okay, so there are several codes used in practice for earthquake resistance structures. One of them is 13828 IS 1993. This code belongs to improving earthquake resistance of low strength masonry buildings. Guidelines are given in this code regarding this type of building construction. One another code is IS 13920-1993. This code gives the information about ductile detailing of reinforced concrete structure subjected to seismic forces. This is a code of practice for this type of building. One another code is IS 13935. Publishing year is 2009. revised version. Seismic, it gives the information about seismic evaluation, repair and strengthening of masonry building. So guidelines regarding this is provided in this code. Okay, one another code is ISS or Indian Standard Steel. Okay, 69221973. Criteria, it gives the information about criteria for safety and design of structures subjected to underground blast. Okay, other codes are IS 4991 1968. Criteria for blast resistant design of structure for explosion above ground. Okay, one another is IS 4967 1968. Recommendation for seismic instrumentation for river valley projects. So friends, there are several codes regarding this earthquake resistant structure construction. Okay, we will study one by one remaining other codes. Okay, so keep watching this video and please share this video more and more for publicity. Okay, thank you.